Yes, ma, continue.
My name is P. Ganesh. I'm from Become first year. Yeah, Become first year. Today, my topic is unemployment and business. First of all, I go with the unemployment. The youngsters, those who are youngsters, are not have employment to do particular way. They are thinking they want to only jobs. They are not thinking about the business and their private businesses. So all of they are thinking about the jobs. They were not taking the perfect jobs and they can't get the jobs easily. For example, there is a government job. There is a huge or lot of competition to the government jobs. Example, there is a one job at least the competition is 5,000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh are also competition there is for the government jobs. So this way there is a lot of youngsters and lot of people are thinking about the jobs, not thinking about the business and private paths. So this type unemployment will continue. The economy of the Indian is will fall in few days also. So this type, I want to say that the people, those who are not thinking about the private or what is that business, anything, so they can't move in the life is easily. So I want to say that think a new thing, do the new thing. They can easily achieve their lives easily. A second one is the business. Business means we can do the business in proper way by the new things of our mind also. By because in the job we have to listen the other persons of the people, but in business we can do ourselves by thinking of our new ideas. We can develop our business by day. So this way we can achieve our goals in easy way in the business operations. So that's why I'm saying that the people, those who are thinking about the jobs, I want to do the job in futurely. So don't think like that. Do the business from proper way. At this time, we can achieve our goals in easy way. So this type I want to say to few things to the people. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to the people. Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely. Very good, Ganesh. From yesterday, you have moved on to a full-on video. You have done very well. Body language is good. The way you stood is good. But I can see that tension in you. And yeah, very well done. Anita ma'am.
Very nice, Ganesh. Very nice. And then a very valid point also, because, everybody clamors for government jobs or, secure jobs. But then we want young entrepreneurs, because the country or a society develops when, you are innovative, when you are creative, when you decide to take that risk. So a job, of course, is good. It's a safe option. But then we also want young people to think of, entrepreneurship ventures where you set up your own business, and then, and then also risk is there because, like, for example, now in this COVID situation, all businesses have closed. So you must think long term how you can sustain your business, how you can come up, overcome such kind of, unforeseen tragedies or whatever. So many businesses will close kind of. So when you are thinking of an entrepreneurship venture, it is a risk. It's a big risk that you're taking. But then when you take risk only, you will be able to succeed, whether it is, your creativity or whether you're making the money. So very good, very excellent topic. Do one more like this on a general topic. Good, ma'am. Suchitra, ma'am?
Yeah, Ganesh, I could see a lot of improvement in you from your yesterday's presentation to this morning. Yeah, you have gained a lot of confidence. There is a little bit of tension, but yes, I think gradually you will overcome. But what I liked about you is the topic that you brought forward is about thinking in a new way. I think, as Anita ma'am has rightly said, in this times of COVID-19, we should think out of the box, right? And there are assumptions that India would bounce back very quickly with this downfall in the economy, because we have to go for make in India things. So I think with innovative ideas, young generation can come out with something very nice in this particular time. As ma'am said, there is always risk, but right time to take risk. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good, ma.